The Denali Highway just pulled off and to pull over. So beautiful here. Looking for caribou or moose, but I don't see anything. Do you? Beautiful sunset. Kind of chilly out. It's about 42 degrees Fahrenheit. Is that 10 degrees? 12 degrees Celsius? Maybe? I don't know. It's been a while. Going down mountains. So pretty. The cold can be pretty. It's like the excessive heat of Arizona can be pretty. Alaska. And the cold can be pretty. It's easier to heat up than it is to cool down, in my opinion. That's why I live in Alaska. I have a job to afford heat. There's my vehicle. 2013 Dodge Ram. It's getting 23 miles per gallon. I believe that. It says I still have over 3/4 of a tank. It's like 5/17. Can't remember my fractions. Brain hurt now. 7/15. I don't know. More than a quarter tank. Or 3/4 tank, sorry. So those are the berries you can eat. Right there. Those are the berries that you don't eat. Walk over there. See, I've never been over this side. Is that from Fairbanks? So this is paved. It's so weird. Paved. When I grew up, it wasn't paved. The thing paved was Paxton Lake is that way. This is Cantwell. We're almost to Cantwell. 40 more miles. Closer to Cantwell than I am Paxton right now. See, those are the berries you should not eat. They're poisonous. Don't eat those berries. They look like cranberries, but they're not. The ones over on the other side are cranberries. See, these are poisonous. These are blueberry bushes. It looks like somebody picked them already. Crossing the highway. Jaywalking. I'm gonna get run over. Only Alaskan across the highway, not get run over. I put that decal on myself. It's for a Toyota vehicle. It's a little off. This is a V6. That's why it gets 23 miles per gallon. These are willows. One's the long leaves. And those are blueberry bushes. And that's horse shit. Or poop. Sorry. Didn't mean to curse. These round leaves are blueberries. And the long ones are willows. Down there is lichen. That's what the caribou like to eat. That's why I decided to stop here. And someone's been through here with a 4-wheeler. I don't know if you can tell that. You're not supposed to do that. Because, as you can see, the tundra doesn't heal. You're only supposed to be on established trails. Some jackasses, sorry, some dummy is ATVing where they're not supposed to be ATVing. There's a camper over there. Camper over there. And then there's camper way over there. There's actually a lake over here with a whole bunch of campers. So I decided to stay here because we're in kind of a valley. I feel that maybe the tutu or the caribou will cross here. Out of the mountains. And come this way toward the valley. That's my current theory. I'm sticking to it. I have wood, but I don't know if I want to make a fire. Could. I feel it's gonna rain. I felt a sprinkle. It's a little chilly. Did I mention it's 42 degrees? Got my hoodie on, but I should put my coat on. I'm just gonna sleep on my passenger side of my vehicle. My truck's is loaded. Let's put on this brand bed liner. Let's see. Final lining. Truck is full. Put a tarp up. Brought the tarp for if I get a caribou or moose. So put it in there. My truck is pretty full. This came from my parents' house. My mom gave me pillows. My boots. There are boots on the back. It's a sleeping bag. 20 degrees sleeping bag and pillow. My junk food. Excuse me. Usually try on the truck when I get too cold. Your nose gets snotty when it's cold out. Service? No. Thought I had service. Something just flashed on my screen. I was like, what the heck? I could be on the internet. It's a break from the internet. I'm recording this with my LG Velvet, and it's on DCI. Right now I don't have nothing. No bars. My hand's getting cold. And my iPhone 12, I almost said 5, iPhone 12 mini is on AT&T, and I had signal back there, but I don't have signal right now. Both are prepaid. DCI I pay $50, and my AT&T I pay $40 for 25 gigabytes. Dad calls them gigabits. It's gigabytes of memory or internet. Limited internet at work at my house, Anchorage, Alaska. I'm from Fairbanks, but I live in Anchorage. I am Inupiaq. Half Inupiaq, half Caucasian from New York. Countryside of New York, New York City. Feeling a sprinkle, so I'm going to stop recording and go and watch videos in my truck. because the sun has set. It's about 8 o'clock. Here in Denali Highway, closer to Cantwell than I am to Paxton. So thank you very much for watching. Enjoy America. Oh, America! Before somebody ruins it. Alrighty. Yep, it's sprinkling. It's in the back of my truck. Oh, the tonneau cover. I bought that on Amazon for $125 on Black Friday sale. It's pretty good. There's a rhino lining. It's rusting already. I bought it in December of last year. 2021. It's 2022. September 3rd. 4th? Labor Day? Tomorrow off. 2 because I took the day off. Is that good? Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good day.